Okay, do you know that you can actually save millions of naira or dollar on your building project just by optimizing your reinforced concrete design? And in this video, we are going to show you how we can do that. So we have relied on designing our reinforced concrete members for decades using the manual design process. And sometimes some of us use softwares like ETABS or Orion. But these softwares are just faster way of doing the same manual checks or calculations. They can tell you if a design will stand, but they can't tell you if it's the most efficient one in terms of cost and safety. And some of these softwares are expensive to buy. If maybe the section of our beam, column or slab we choose is safe, but can it be optimized to reduce the quantity of materials and hence reducing the cost? This is where I introduce an optimization in reinforced concrete design, and we can do that with a Python library called PyRCD. PyRCD is an open source library that you can use to design check of beams, maybe a beam that you have calculated using the manual process or any of the softwares like ETABS. You can also design new beams, and also you can optimize your design to reduce material quantity and cost. PyRCD was built with the logic of multi-objective optimization technique, which can optimize two or more parameters like cost, material quantity and carbon footprint. My example here is that I use a design case study that uses the manual design process, and I check if the design is safe using PyRCD. I also did optimization. This shows me that reinforced concrete beam section, or the size, that is the width and the depth, is decreasing as the reinforcement diameter is also reducing. So as you can see, I was able to save 40% of the total cost. So if you are going to build that reinforced concrete beam, maybe if you design it manually and when you optimize with PyRCD, so you are going to save 40% of the cost. That is what the optimization gave me. So if you're interested in learning how the code works, you can follow my Substack, which I'll put the link in the description below.